This is my all good memories. This is my friend Reflect. We are playing the fish and it is so good for everything and it's right. And my oldest one is this. He's so good. That is my tatay is passed away in 2025 January 6. He is gone. I am with my nanay now. Ayan yung mukha ng cat o kaya he is gone. Now I am now
para sa disinfection, sterilization, sponge bath, massage, sanitation, relief
my
of
nanay
insects,
and
heat, personal hygiene, and general antiseptic.
me and my
Ang family rubbing alcohol
I am happy.
bilang pang-pamilya, pang-sports pa. Pagoda air freshener ang
Maraming laro ko dito. Kaya he's so good that video. I miss you.
Sa banyo,
I miss you very much.